Today I'm going to show you guys how you can get Canva Pro for free and easy method. Yeah, first you want to go to your search bar and type Pro Invite Link. As you can see, just click on that first one, Pro Invite Link. A box like this will open, a website like this will open. All you have to do is to click each and every slot to see where you can join. Like this one, look, you don't have access. They have already reached up to 500, which is their limit. That's the limit each team can take, 500 users. So you want to click on each and every one of them to see which one is available for you to join. Okay, as you can see, all these ones have reached their limit of 500. You want to look for the one that is below 500, then you can join that one. Okay, as you can see, this one is also full slots. The other slot is full as well. Slot H, let's see, is full, 500. Let's start from the last side and see. Slot L is full. Let's go back. Okay, slot J, good. This one is still have vacant space where people can join. As you can see, we just successfully joined this group, which is slot K, right? Yes, slot J. We just successfully joined slot J. As you can see, I'm now a pro team. Yeah, I'm now in a pro team. Now I can do whatever pro I'm doing. As you can see, look at the name of the team I'm into. I joined 19th Tech Edu blah blah blah. Now you have successfully become a pro user of Canva. As you can see, this is the name of the group of the team that I joined right now. You see, now you can enjoy Canva for free. Enjoy all the pro versions for free without any money, just for free. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button so that when new content is uploaded next time, you will be the first, or YouTube will send you a message so you can watch the video quickly. Bye for now.